Juicy.
Happy Labor Day. Today I went down to my local vending machine. I got 5 of the cash lines. We're gonna go ahead and see what we can get cracking. Let's get it cracking. Welcome back to another Smoke and Scratch session. This is session number 16. And today we have a couple of, of course I got my girls with me. My Sally Ride, Wilma Mankiller, Maya Angelou, Sacagawea. But today I wanted to showcase 2 new tickets. One from Georgia, 2018, that has the great white Ingrid on it. And the turkey is on the Louisiana Kisatachi quarter, the 2015. All right, but I wanted to just, showcase those 2 coins. I thought they were pretty. And those 2 coins are going to bring me some luck because those 2 animals signify abundance. Big abundance of blessings. Mucho blessings. All right. So today we have cash lines. Yes. And I went to the store to purchase these out of the lottery vending machine. Tickets number 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions. They're on the back. Play instructions: scratch your numbers area, then scratch all corresponding numbers on the game board. Completely match all numbers in any one row or column on the game board. Win corresponding prize for that row or column. And the overall odds are 1 in 4. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get to scratching. Y'all know we already smoking, baby. We're going to start off at ticket 35. Ticket number 35. And y'all know that we can win this way, that way, this way, that way. So we can win pretty good here on the cash lines. Happy Labor Day to all my hardworking people out there. And to the people who don't work, happy Labor Day to you too. This is a Labor Day scratch. Smoke and scratch session on Labor Day. We got lucky number 39, 36, 14, 33, 9, 34, 2, 28, 27, 21, 16, 10, 24, 26, and 18. All right, let's see what we got. Let's get this scratch dust out of here. I need one of those dust blowers that I've seen on other channels. All right, do we have 17? Because we're going to go this way. 17. 39. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all know this ticket is hard to scratch, but it's pretty good with the wins. 40. 32. 18. Number 2. Yes, yes, yes. 34. What about 25? Do I see a 25? 25 going once? No, I didn't have it. I don't know why I started scratching that. 40. 18. Nope, nope, nope. 9. Yes. 14. Yes. 24. Yes. 6. 32. 29. And 10. What about 12? Nope. 17. 40. 32. 6. 29. 12. 25. I have to check it because I be missing them. Number 35 is a ticket. Number 36. All right, let's get these numbers scratched off. Let's get the scratching, because y'all know we already smoking, baby. We smoking, baby. Smoking hot. All right. Let's see what numbers we got. We got 17, 33, 24, 48, 36, 21, 37, 39, 11, 5, 38, 4, 12, and 2. Let's go. Do we have a 16? Scratch dust. What about 33? Yes, we got a 33. 28. No, 38. Wouldn't it be nice if I got that $15,000 on live on Labor Day? Yeah, come on now. 21. Yes. Do we have a 9? No. 23. Nope, nope, nope. And number 13. 39. Yes, we have a 39. Okay. 37. Yes, we have a 37. Come on, cash lines. Show my people what you working with, you know. We got a 24 and a 40. Do we have a number 4? Yes, we do. What about 36? Yes, we do. Do we have a 35? Come on, winner. Winner, chicken dinner. No. All right, so we did. This one is another dud. It's looking like, because I don't see a 16, a 28, a 9, 13, 23, 35, a dud. All right, ticket number 37. Scratch these winning numbers. Cash lines, don't do me like this. Show my friends while I think you're the shit. Ooh. Oh, wow. All right, let's check these winning numbers. We got 17, 1, 21, 35, 4, 15, 37, 23, 11, 9, 7, 28, 2, 36, 14. Let me get rid of this scratch dust real quick. We need a scratch dust break. All right, let me see here. 31, 14, yes. 28, 37, yes. 15, yes. 22, nope. 4, 36, 17, yes. Yes. Okay, 33. No. 12. 23. Yes. 20. No. 35. Yes. What about 10? No 10, no 20, no 12, no 33, no 22, no 28, no 31. What is going on, cash lines? It's looking like a dud too. Your ticket number 38. Cash lines, don't embarrass me in front of my friends, okay? For real. All right, so let's get to scratching. Y'all know we already smoking. We got one more ticket after this. I'm kind of embarrassed, but I feel like Cash Lines is gonna pull through because I've been bragging on you and stuff. But y'all, that's the thing. Don't brag on nothing or nobody. All right, let's see. We got a 30. Let's get the scratch dust out of here. 30, 13, 27, 3, 16, 28, 12, 17, 2, 9, 35, 7, 20, 39, and 8. All right, y'all, come on, let's get the scratching. Y'all know we already smoking, baby. Smoking high. All right, let's go. 19, 22, 20. This is getting out of hand a little bit. Just a little bit. Number 6, 30. Okay. 17. 36. Nope, nope, nope. 29. Number 6. What's going on here? Kansas Lottery, is y'all trolling me or what? 12. 29. 36. I had to quit buying $30 tickets because they was starting to just win my money back. I need to win. 26. Wow. 35. I'm about to start crying. 28. 9. And 39. What is going on here? 36. 36. 29. 1. 26. 22. And 19. And this is another dud. What is... Oh, wow. Okay. I'm holding back my tears. I got 4 duds in a row. I don't know what to do. We're going to go ahead and keep scratching. Y'all know we already smoking. This is ticket number 39. Come on, ticket. The heck? Now, what we're not going to do is this today. What we're not going to do is lose today, ticket. Okay? Y'all, if y'all gonna can y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all for joining me today. Let's check this last ticket. 38. 26. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all my numbers. 10, 30, 26, 11, 1, 25, 16, 5, 20, 28, 17, 9, 3, 27, 18. We already scratched off 26. 37, where are you? I don't see you. 29. 21. 16. Oh no, it's not scratching. 39. 3. I mean, this was a horrible one. I don't even know if I'm going to show this one. 20, 11, 21, 37, 29, 1. I mean, I don't know what's going on, but I haven't won on any of these. 30, I may not show this one. 18. 18 and 23. And then 33. Wow. Out of 15, I lost every single one. They're all duds. So, I'll holler. Remember to gamble responsibly. Don't use your food money, bill money, or gas money.